Welcome to Solve, where innovation meets insight. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use a SQL query transformation in Needletail. Let's get started. We'll be working with a sample employee salary dataset, where the goal is to classify each employee's salary as high, medium, or low using a custom SQL query. To begin, configure the necessary details for the raw zone and the standardized zone endpoints. Then configure the associated raw source and standardized sink. Once that's done, click on Create Transform Pipeline from the raw source. Give your pipeline a name, select the appropriate standardized sink and metasync, and click Submit to save it. Next, click on the T icon, open the three-dot menu, and select Transformation Spec. On the Transformation Spec page, drag the SQL icon from the top panel and connect it to your raw employee dataset. Click on the SQL icon and enter your custom SQL logic. For example, use a case-when expression to classify salaries into high, medium, or low based on defined thresholds. Once your query is ready, click Apply. Then, drag the derived entity icon and connect it at the end of the flow. Click on it. Provide a name for your final output table, select the appropriate sink, and choose the columns you want to include in the output. Don't forget to manually add the extra column Salary Class to include the classification result. Once done, click Apply to save the changes. Now save your layout, click Generate to produce the transformation code, and select Browse to open the Jupyter Notebook. Inside the notebook, open the generated file and run all cells. Once the pipeline returns code 0, it indicates a successful run, and your final table with classified salary bands is written to the defined path. Thank you for watching. For more detailed documentation, visit the Needletail help page. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team by email or phone.